Hi, my name is Keelana Eugenio and I'm a recreation leader for Kids Central. And for Childhood Obesity Awareness Month, we're going to be making breakfast banana pops. For this recipe, you will need 1 banana, peanut butter or any nut butter that you have at home, and then any other healthy topping you have at home. I have granola, chocolate chips, and dried cranberries. First, we're going to cut the banana in half. So now that you have 2 halves, you're going to peel the banana. Take popsicle sticks and you're going to stick them into your banana. So now you're going to take your peanut butter or nut butter of choice and you're going to spread it on your banana. So now you can take your healthy topping of choice, and today I'm going to be using granola and chocolate chips, and cover your banana. You can put as much or as little as you'd like. My favorite topping is chocolate chips. To supercharge your breakfast banana pop, you can use dried fruit such as dried cranberries or raisins. Once you're done covering your bananas, put them into the freezer for 3 hours to overnight. We hope you enjoyed making this healthy snack.